Today, I'm going to share 10 things that I love about my Subaru Outback. And these are not just things that are exclusive to the Outback, they're on most of your modern Subarus today. So whether you have a Subaru Ascent, a Legacy, the Impreza, the Crosstrek, the Forester, this information is really going to apply to those vehicles as well. The first thing that I love about my Subaru is on the inside, specifically with the cup holders. You'll notice with the Subaru cup holders, there's a little cutout in the center. And that allows you, well, I don't know if it was designed that way, but it allows you to use your coffee mug with a handle. I don't know about you, but I like drinking out of my coffee in the coffee mug. And so if you're in the car, you can simply put it in here like so, and it fits. The other thing that's cool about these is they added these little rubber inserts the last few years to add, now it doesn't work that well with this cup because it's pretty short, but if you have like a smaller cup or like a Coke can, it raises that up just a little bit, so it makes it fit much better. So that's just one thing that I really like about the Subaru cup holders. Now, if your Subaru, the Outback for whatever reason, only comes with the one rubber insert, at least mine did, and if you have another model like the Crosstrek and the Impreza, I think they added 2 of these little rubber inserts. But if you only have one and you want to get an extra, you can get them from Subaru or on Amazon. I'll include a link down in the description below if you want to get one. Also, I know this is dirty. My car is dirty right now and I need to wash it inside and out, but we'll do that another day. The second thing I love about my car is going to be this cargo net. So there's 2 cargo nets in one here to keep things from falling out whenever you open that power gate. But if you have items that you want to throw in here, you've got a little pocket, and then on the back side, this cargo net straps things down to the cargo floor. And I tested this recently. It's getting to be grilling season here, and I had to get a refill on my propane tank. I actually put my propane tank inside this, strapped it down, connecting it on either side there, and it kept it secured so it wasn't getting thrown around the cargo areas. So this is something I've really enjoyed and have found value in, and whenever you're not using them, you can just tuck these nets back inside the zipper pouch and they're hidden away. The third thing that I love about my Subaru is how much space you have in the cargo area. So no matter if you go with the Outback, the Forester, or even the Crosstrek, you have a ton of space back here for your pets and for luggage when you're traveling. And something unique to the Outback is that you have these quick release levers where you can drop the seats down flat. I can't drop that one down because I've got stuff up there, but you get the idea. These seats fold down flat and make this car incredibly great for car camping, which I haven't done yet, but I do want to do sometime in the near future. Just to give you some perspective, I'm about 5'6", and with the seat back down, I can lay completely flat and straight. So this is something that I think is going to be really good whenever I go on some car camping adventures. I'm going to get an air mattress, maybe like a foam mattress, and some other things back here to have a really nice setup, and I think we're going to have plenty of room in the Outback. Number 4, I love that my Subaru has a lot of 12-volt power sources. So we use one in the center console, most people know about that, to power our rear-facing baby camera. You can use this as well to power a dash cam. There's a 12-volt power in the glove box. Most people don't know about that. You can use that as well. And then back here in the cargo area, you also have 12-volt power you can use to power things while you're camping, or in our case, we had a spare tire that was low on air, and we used that with an electric car tire pump to air up quickly without having to run cable all the way to the front. The fifth thing I love about my Subaru is the heated seats. So this one has the front heated seats for both the driver and the passenger, and there are 3 levels. You just simply tap the touchscreen here to adjust the temperature levels. And something cool I found out recently, you can even adjust your heated seats with the voice command. Here's how you do it.
Please say a command.
Turn on driver heated seat.
Turn on heated seat.
So just like that, you can do it hands-free. I usually use the touchscreen here. I find that easier, but it is cool to know that you have the hands-free option, especially if you are busy driving. Number 6, I love that my Subaru has this large, it's an 11.6-inch touchscreen display, so almost 12 inches vertically, and it makes it really nice when you're traveling because we can display our Google Maps using Apple CarPlay up on this large touchscreen display. Makes it really convenient when traveling, it's better for visibility, and it's a lot easier to use than your phone. Before I got my Outback, I was a little bit concerned with the processing speed of the touchscreen display because I read online a lot of people had shared that they didn't like how slow and how sluggish the touchscreen processing was. So if you were going in and out of different menus and different screens or in and out of your CarPlay, it was super laggy. Thankfully, this was updated in 2023 to become much quicker than the previous generation, and something that I've found works quite well, and as you can see, moves pretty quick. Subarus are well known for their all-wheel drive, their off-road capabilities, and that is the seventh thing that I love on my Subaru. This car, I feel like I can take it practically anywhere. And as an example, we go to the mountains often, whether it's in Tennessee or Asheville, North Carolina. More recently, we stayed in a cabin that was a dirt and gravel road up the side of a mountain. And if we didn't have this vehicle, I don't know if we would have made it up, especially with the ground clearance. This also has almost 9 inches of ground clearance. So this is standard 8.7 inches of ground clearance. Now I know a lot of people will either lift these or get the wilderness trim and it has even more ground clearance, but this is something that has worked really well for us in all terrain situations. And as another example, this past winter was the first time that we've had a decent amount of snow since owning our Outback, and I actually tested it. I put the car to the test in some pretty deep snow. If you want to check out the video, click on the YouTube card above to the right. But in that video, I showcase how this all-wheel drive works, and we have the original tires. We're pushing about 43,000 miles on the tires now. You can tell they will probably need to be replaced here in the next few thousand miles, but in that video, I had these same tires on, and I think it had like 38,000 miles on it, so not far from where they are now. And not only is this car super capable in all-wheel drive situations, but the all-wheel drive makes this safe, and that is the eighth thing that I love about my Subaru. This is something that we want to travel in long distances, and even in our daily commute, I want both myself and my family to be as safe as possible, and Subaru makes one of the safest cars on the road today. And not just with the adaptive cruise control and the automatic pre-collision braking system that pretty much all your modern cars have, but also in the design of the car. Just take a look at the passenger area. If you look at the door jamb on your Subaru, you'll notice a little notch right here, and then there's a corresponding hook over here. That hook is a steel beam that goes up the side of the door to add some rigidity and structural integrity to the car. So if you are involved in a rear end collision or a side swipe collision, that's going to help prevent that door from caving in and therefore keeping you and your family inside safe. Number 9 is probably going to sound a bit odd, but one thing that I love on my Subaru is the steering wheel. This feels, I don't know if it is, but it feels like a smaller steering wheel compared to other cars that I've driven. And I've had other people share that same opinion with me, that they hop in and they ask, is this steering wheel smaller? And I don't know that it is. I actually measured it and it was around 14-ish, 14 and a half inches, which appears to be about the standard size for a modern car. But it's a really comfortable driving car, and with this steering wheel, I just feel like it's very responsive. Of course, the electronic power-assisted power steering helps, but it's very nimble, and for the size of the car, I mean, the Outback is more like wagon-esque. It's a little bit longer wheelbase than some of our other cars like the Crosstrek or the Forester, and with that you would think that it wouldn't be quite as tight of a turning radius, but here's an example. Look how tight this turning radius is pulling out of the parking space on the Outback, and it makes it really easy whether you're pulling in or out of parking spaces. Lastly, number 10, what I love on my Subaru is how it looks. Now, if you asked me this 5 or 6 years ago, I would have probably told you I didn't like the look of Subaru, but with this generation, which has been out for the last 5 or so years, the Outback really upped its game. They came out with this Onyx trim, which specifically comes with the black appearance package, so the black alloy wheels, the matching black mirror, and on the door trim, the window trim, instead of it being chrome, this is all black. So I really like the look of it, and I didn't think about it until after I bought this car, but with the white and the contrast of the black, it kind of looks like a stormtrooper vibe. So I really like this look, and I know not everybody's a fan of the mustache look on the cladding. I know some people don't like that new design, but for me, I really like it. If you don't like that, you can go with black or like a dark gray and it'll hide that, but I really like the look of the new Subarus, and I'm really glad that they came out with this, because truly I don't know if I would have wanted to buy it if it didn't have the looks as well. Because for me, whenever I'm gonna spend this kind of money on a car, I not only want it to have the functionality, the capabilities and the safety, but I also want it to look cool too. And with the Outback Onyx, I think it does just that. So now that you've heard the things that I love about my Subaru, I'd like to hear from you. What do you love about your Subaru? Leave a comment down below. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you all in the next one.